The Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation has taken up demolition drive against the encroachments of footpaths and roads in the city. The GHMC's special demolition squads under supervision of town planning officials have taken up demolitions across the city. Officials have removed 140 footpath encroachments in Shaikpet, Tolichowki, Kukatpally, Darussalam Road, Uppal, L.B.Nagar and other circles. Police department has deployed special forces for protecting demolition squad. Meanwhile, the GHMC officials have removed illegal constructions in East Zone. The main focus of the GHMC was to clear way to traffic in the city, and based on a report given by the traffic police, officials have taken up the special drive. Besides demolitions and removals of encroachments, officials have imposed penalty from Rs. 500 to Rs. 10,000 to traders for encroaching footpaths.
डर रहे हैं आप लोगों को काम कर रहा है सर ऐसा तमाशा देखे सर ले लो अंदर ले लो